Hey guys, so today I'm going to go through Thinkgpt, the new feature that I've just added for generating presentations using AI. First, you need to install the extension if you haven't already. So it's you just go to Chrome Web Store, type Thinkgpt, you're gonna find it straight away. Once you install it, it's gonna take you to the onboarding page here where you just need to log in, and it's gonna also display some animations on how to use it on ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Perplexity. Um, Pretty much, it just adds a button. It adds a button for bookmarking underneath every response. So here I'm just doing some research on the best screen recording tools. Here on ChatGPT, I did add um, I did add this response. So I just removed and added again. I did the same thing for Gemini here. I asked the same question: what's the best recording tool for Linux? And also, once it responded, I've added the bookmark, and I've done the same thing for Linux. But I asked it. Sorry, I've done the same thing for DeepSeek, but I asked it what's the best recording tool for Windows, and I've also added it. And here, you're gonna find the three bookmarks that I've just added. So let's say we want to create a presentation. So I'm gonna go on generate presentation, and here I'm gonna find all the previous presentations. Obviously, it's my account. I've been creating a lot of presentations, so I'm gonna create new, and I'm gonna search with the keyword screen record, and straight away display the three bookmarks that I've just added. So we're gonna select the three of them, and then I'm gonna generate presentations. So I'm gonna say here best screen record tools for tools 2025, and then I'm gonna click on generate. Finished. Let's open and check. So um, it did create here, as you see. This is the summary from ChatGPT, the bookmark that we have added, key points, very simple presentation, white background, no pictures yet. So this is still the first release, still no pictures. This is from DeepSeek, best Windows screen recorders, and here Linux screen recorders from Gemini. So as you see here, three every bookmark that I've saved, every response created a slide with the summary. Very simple. Um, let's now try Presentations.ai. It's a very powerful tool. Um, they also have an extension that you could use. Let's try to log in. So now, how does it work? Let me show you how the Presentation.ai works from the extension. So the way it works, you basically just go on any page you want. It could be Gemini, ChatGPT, could be even a normal website, and then you click on the extension here, and then click on generate presentations. Okay, so it did. Okay, very weird. It did include none. It did include some other information here. I don't know exactly where it got it from, which could be a bug. I don't know, because here it should have only included this page, but here you could see it did also include some stuff, some messages which I've had personally from other chats in Gemini. So this is actually a bug in the presentations of AI, but it did also create an outline for what we've searched for. So I'm gonna click on um, edit outline, and let's actually remove those two redundant slides that somehow they got generated. And then I'm gonna click apply changes, and then I'm gonna close, and then boom, we're gonna so we have two options: enhance or preserve. Let's keep it for preserve for now, then create presentation. Okay. So straight away, there's a play slideshow. There's start editing. Very beautiful presentation. Okay, for some reason this page, again, probably that's a bug, but overall it's really nice. It's a really nice presentations. I like that there are pictures. Obviously some slides are not visible or they have a bug. They have also a remix. um, yeah, so they also have a remix feature. We can maybe change to the style. Very nice. I like the way it's being polished. I like the nice modern feel. But then let's try to export it. Okay, so it asks you to pay to export, and the cheapest one is £90 per PowerPoint. £90 per PowerPoint. That's really, really overpriced. I'm actually surprised that it's that much. And then they also have the pro plan per year. I think that's how they push for the pro plan. There is no monthly plan. Okay. Um, yeah. So I think personally, it's it's a bit of overpriced, but they're trying to push for the one of the yearly annual plans. I think that's the cheapest one. Let's now go to let's compare. So these are the pricings for Presentations AI. Let's go to our own to my own Thinkgpt, and basically for the free plan, as you see, you are able to generate a presentation. You're able to download as a PowerPoint for free. You've got three presentations per month to generate and download. If you need more than this, then you got to subscribe to the annual or the monthly plan. So the annual plan is 199 a month. The monthly plan is 299 a month. Very affordable. Um, you also get to generate unlimited presentations. So if we checked here the on presentations at AI, they give you certain credits. So these credits would allow you to only generate a certain number of slides. So you see here it says like every slide will consume 5 credits. While for ThinkGPT, it's one subscription, 299 or 199 a month, and generate unlimited presentations. I think I personally, unbiased, I would say like if you need a lot of presentations on a daily basis, you don't really care about the polishing of the presentation, you just want something to present in your team's meeting or with on university on a daily basis on a project that you're working on, but you don't need the polish, you don't need that the images, you would go for ThinkGPT. It's the perfect option for you. For 199 a month, generate unlimited presentations. It's constantly improving. I'm constantly adding features. I would say definitely this is the go-to. But if you need something that's a bit more polished, a bit more modern, if you generate a presentation once a month for a, let's say like a big team, then Presentations.ai would be the better one. However, though, Presentations.ai only create a presentation from a single page. So you have to be on the page itself, like we've done with Gemini. You have to be on the page itself, and then it parses everything on this page and creates a presentation. However, ThinkGPT, it does create it from any from different platforms. Like you can literally choose Perplexity, something on DeepSeek. You can choose different chats as well. Like let's say you've been doing a research for like a month on a certain topic from 7 different pages, including ChatGPT, including Gemini. You could literally select the exact, as you see here, all your bookmarks are here. So you can literally select any type of any bookmark and click generate, and then it would create a slide for every bookmark. So I would say again, the flexibility. flexibility wise, cost wise, ThinkGPT wins. However, if we're talking about the quality of the presentation, um, the style, theme, then Presentation.ai is probably the better option. So I hope I give you some unbiased walkthrough, overview, comparison for these two apps. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for ThinkGPT, my own extension. You can download it right now. You're gonna get 3 presentations for free. You can start using straight away. And let me know if you guys also got any feedback. You can email me at support@thinkcode.co.uk. Thank you very much.